Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. Here we've got our 68 reg BMW 420 diesel coupe, finished in Estoril Blue, and has the all-important M Performance body kit and 19-inch alloys, diamond cut all the way around. Very nice condition, no damage worth mentioning. It's just been serviced, and inside has got the Black Dakota heated leather. It's got Pro Nav, and again, really nice throughout. We can take part exchanges and we can arrange finance. For a bespoke quote, please do give us a call, 01244 570 814. Number again, 01244 570 814, and we can work out some figures. And thank you for watching.